Hey everybody, this is the easy button right here, 4305 Kathland. Look how gorgeous this garden is out front. Got the fencing, everything well taken care of. Covered porch, stone steps coming up, gorgeous. Black framed, refinished floors, nice and cool inside. Look at the size of this living room. It's enormous. Plenty of room to have everybody over and celebrate, hang out. Going into the dining room here, again, enormous. Straight back through into the kitchen. Luxury vinyl plank floors. Gorgeous kitchen, nice and roomy. We're gonna pop outside. Split unit. Vinyl fence, wood fence. Nice easy ramp to get in and out. Lots of privacy. Lots of space to spread out back here. Simply gorgeous. Very easy. One car garage over here. And in the back, parking space. Back alley. Good to go. Lock this door back up. We're going to head back inside and view the rest of the house. We haven't got to the first floor bedrooms yet. Here we go. Heading over to the first floor bedrooms. Off the dining room, we're going to hang a left here. Hall closet. Front bedroom, again, very large. These rooms are not sparing any space. Closet in here as well. Full bathroom. Completely redone. With a tub. I know you guys like the tub. Shaded window, that way you can still get the light in. And second bedroom. Now this one's just normal size. It's still plenty of room. Spread out in the back of the house. So you've got privacy, you got a great view. And we're gonna go see more of it. Right off the back of the house, through the kitchen, we're gonna head down into the basement. Brand new carpet throughout. The size of this room. This is your family room down here, folks. Tons and tons of space. And then as we go back through here, we've got storage, which is also carpeted and insulated. And then you've got your HVAC, water heater, more storage as well. And that's not it, folks. We're just getting started. So 2 closets over here. And as we go into this little hallway here, we've got another bedroom. This bedroom has its own egress window and its own closet. Plenty of space for whatever you want in here. And around this corner, we've got our washer and dryer room, complete with its own sink as well. And then last but not least, our second full bathroom. Let me find the light for you here. Second full bathroom. Hey, there's me. And you've got your shower here as well. Gorgeous. Very nice. Tons and tons of space here. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. Laundry room in the basement, finished laundry room, finished bedrooms everywhere. Tons of space. 2 entertaining spaces. Ready to go. Give us a ring today.